Guys, it's a girl, Alaxy, again, and I am so happy to have you all here today. It is yet another beautiful day to get ourselves motivated, to help build ourselves and develop ourselves to be a better person for us, our family, and the society at large, to be an impactful individual. So, on today's episode, I'll be sharing with you important tips, important approaches on how to add value to yourself. Yeah, today's topic for this episode is how to add value to yourself. Okay, let's get started. Adding value to yourself is one of the most rewarding and transformative journey you can undertake as a human here on earth. Yeah, it is about investing in your growth, building your worth, and shaping yourself to become the person you want to be. Now, in this episode, I would be sharing with you guys personal approaches to adding value that is rooted in self reflection, perseverance, and intentional living. So let's go. Number one approach is embrace lifelong learning. You see, I have learned that growth begins with knowledge. In other words, to add value to yourself, you need to make a commitment to never stop learning, whether it is through books, online courses, podcast, or even casual conversations. You need to actively seek knowledge that will challenge your perspective and expand your skill set. In addition, every new thing you learn enhances your ability to adapt. Yeah, every new thing you learn in life, it enhances your ability to adapt, to solve problems, and to contribute meaningfully to the world. Second approach is cultivating your self-awareness. Yeah, that that's number two. You need to cultivate your self-awareness. Understanding who you are is a foundational step in your journey in life. For you to get anywhere in life, you first need to understand yourself. Yeah, by reflecting on your strength, on your weaknesses, those weaknesses, your power, your strength, your passion, your value, you gain clarity on what truly matters in life, what matters to you, what is important to you, to help you grow, to help you build yourself to a certain level. Self-awareness allows you to make it allows you to make intentional choices that aligns with your goals and avoid distraction that does not serve your purpose. That is, you need to make enables you to align, to make sure you accomplish your goals and help you avoid distractions that won't lead you anywhere in life. Third approach is developing a growth mindset. Yeah, that's that's number three on the list. You need to develop a growth mindset. You see life is filled with challenges, but you need to see them as opportunity for growth rather than obstacles, just as I have seen them. Yeah. um Adaptation to growth, like adopting a growth mindset, means believing believing in your ability to learn and improve through efforts. Like, you need to um improve through efforts, because you're not just going to believe, because faith without work is dead. So you need to add work into the faith. That is the believing, which is the faith, and effort is the work. Okay. Um every every um every mistake should be a lesson. Yeah, every mistake in life should be a lesson, and every setback should be a stepping stone to something greater, to achieve a greater high. Because you can, if you remember clearly, the man who made bulb, he tried, is it 99 times, and at the 100th time he succeeded. Okay, let's use Donald Trump as an example. He failed the previous election, but he won this election. So you need to see, you don't need to see your mistakes or your failure as the dead end. You need to see it as a challenge and an opportunity to and as a stepping stone to achieve something greater. And trust me, without giving up, you'll achieve it. Number four approach is to prioritize your emotional and physical well-being. You see, I've realized that I can't be myself if I neglect my health. And so goes to every other human being. So, regular exercise, nutritious food, and adequate sleep are non negotiables. Your emotional well being is equally important. Also, practicing mindfulness, expressing gratitude, and seeking help when needed ensures your mental resilience. Fifth on the list is building meaningful relationships. Yeah. Number five approach is to build meaningful relationships. Now, the something you need to know is in life. Something you need to know in life is that the people you surround yourself with greatly influence your journey in life. Yeah, by fostering relationships with supportive, inspiring individuals, you gain perspectives and encouragement that pushes you forward to the next level. You also need to strive to um to be a source of value for others by offering mindful kindness, support, and genuine connection. Life, you see, is 50-50. Yeah, you need to, in order to build, you need to, they say, show me your friend, I'll tell you who you are. Life is not just about what you know, it is also about who you know. Yeah, your connection is what pushes you. So making the right connection, surrounding yourself with meaningful people will take you to the next level in life, because the support you need, you get it from them as long as they are meaningful and supportive. Also, you don't need to, it's not all about getting, you, it's not all about receiving, you need to give also. So it's not all about them being impactful, you also need to be impactful in their life to sustain that relationship. You also need to, that is how you create value. You become valuable to yourself. You also need to give value to others. Number six approach is to master the art of discipline. Yeah. You see, I've learned that motivation can waver. Yeah. But discipline is what keeps me moving forward. Setting clear goals, breaking them into manageable steps. Like you set goals, you break them, this is how, into step by step manageable steps, one step at a time, and showing up every day, even when it's hard, like keeping to it, to those steps you've written down, even when it is hard for you to do, is how you stay on track of your goal, of your plan. Yeah, consistency is it's consistency is a bridge between dreams and reality. Being consistent is what makes you achieve those dreams, bringing those dreams into reality. So be consistent and disciplined, and trust me, you add value and be a value to others also, and also to yourself. Number seven on the list is stepping out of your comfort zone. You see, growth doesn't happen in your comfort. Never, it doesn't. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, learning a new skill, or pursuing a, a bold idea, You need to challenge yourself to embrace discomfort. It's never pleasing. No. To achieve success, it's never pleasing. It's never a comfortable journey. One thing I've discovered is that every time you step out of your comfort, yeah, every time you step out of your comfort zone, you unlock a new level of confidence and capability. Because that difficult situation you find yourself, you learn new skill to build, to overcome it, and that is what helps you grow and add value to yourself, for you to be valuable to others and the society also. Number eight approach is to contribute to others. Adding value to yourself isn't just about you, it's about how you can impact others, how you can impact in the lives of others. You should find fulfillment in sharing your knowledge, helping helping someone in need, or inspiring others to grow. Yeah, giving back should reinforce your sense of purpose and remind you that true value comes from service, not just as it has with me, just as it has been with me. Yeah, because a true leader is not someone that just lead or rule. A true ruler also is not someone that just rule. It is someone that serve. Leadership is service. So in order to be a leader, to add value, you need to serve. You need to be a more like a servant to your people. You need to help, you need to inspire people to grow. That is how you add value to others and to yourself and the society at large also. Number nine on the list is to stay true to your vision. Yeah, there are times when self-doubt creeps in, but you need to remind yourself um of your unique vision, those plans you have, those vision you have for yourself, and why you started the journey, this life journey. Yeah, you need to stay focused on your goals, those goals you set aside. You need to focus on them. Yeah, are not are just when necessary, and not to be distracted. Yeah, and also uh and also you need to um celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, because small beginnings matters a lot. So you need to celebrate every milestone, um no matter how small it is, and not to lose focus, be focused, and uh not to lose distraction, and definitely you'll be a value and impactful individual to the society, yourself, and the world at large. So, last but not the least, on our list for this episode is believe in your potentials. Yes, you need to recognize that adding value to yourself begins with believing who you are. Yeah, believing you are worth the effort. Self-belief fuels everything else. Trust me, it works magic. It fuels everything else. When you trust in your potentials, you're unstoppable. Yeah, you become unstoppable. Adding value to yourself is not an overnight process. It's not an overnight journey. It's a continuous journey of self improvement, because as long as you live, you need to improve yourself daily. And self love. Yeah, in order to be valuable, you need to love yourself. Next on my episode, don't worry, in the next episode or the one after, I will talk about self love. Yeah, with every step you take, trust me, you become better, a better version of yourself, so capable of achieving greater things and leaving a meaningful legacy for behind. Yeah, a meaningful legacy, a dynasty, an empire behind, a name, a big name that the society will know. Because it is not, the world will not remember you of what you have, they will remember you of what you gave, the impact, the value you gave. So that is that for this episode. I am glad and happy we've been able to watch till the end, and we've come to the end of today's episode. So until we meet again on our next episode, on my next episode, I would love for us to put all what I've shared and said into practice. These approaches, personal approaches to adding value to yourself, into practice, and you see yourself becoming a better version of yourself and being a value and impact to yourself, your family, the society at large. Stay tuned for more. Until we meet again, I still remain my humble self, Alaxy. Bye bye.